I thought I'd only see pandas in the zoo. Never thought I'd hold one in my hands. But Jeanette was out to get me, busting at the seams. Soon I had panda hands and panda dreams. Then I stuffed their face. Now I'm an achiever, all because Unity Panda. Now I'm in love with Unity Pandas. I'm knitting pandas all the time. Now I thought knitting pandas was a tricky thing, but it seems the more I did, the better I got. All you do is start with and I'm a leg apart. Your friends will say, have you done this before? Then you stuff their face. Now you're an achiever, all because Unity Panda. Now you're in love with Unity Panda. You've been knitting pandas all the time. And then it's our face, oh yeah. Unity Pandas, the way I like to be. I'm a believer, yeah. With Unity Panda, with Unity Panda. It's so damn cute, Unity Panda.